I do not want to look, but I still reach for it. Work messages make my chest feel heavy.
Sometimes I think about stopping everything. I keep trying, but I do not see progress. I ask myself if I should quit. I feel stuck, so I think about calling someone. I will call Tom because he listens to me.
Hi, Alex. I am here. Tell me what is going on.
I feel tired because I keep failing at work. That sounds very hard. Anyone would feel tired in your place. You care about your work, so the pressure feels stronger. I thought maybe I was just weak. Feeling weak does not mean you are weak. I keep trying, but I feel tired all the time. Maybe you do not need to decide everything tonight. I feel calmer when you say that. You can take one small step instead of a big choice. I forget that I do not need to fix everything now. Yes, doing less can still be moving forward. What makes you feel like quitting right now? I feel tired because I try hard, but I still fail. Trying and failing does not mean you are stuck. I am afraid that nothing will change. Change often starts when we stay, even when it feels hard. I do not know if staying will help. Staying does not fix everything. It just gives you time. I am scared that I will waste more time. Time is not wasted when you are learning.
I never thought about it that way.
Many people feel lost before they find direction. It does not mean they are doing something wrong.
I thought it was only me feeling this way. Knowing others feel it too helps. Yes, many people feel unsure sometimes. They just do not always say it. That makes me feel less alone. I feel lighter hearing this. You do not need to rush tonight. One small step is enough. That feels possible to me now, and it sounds kinder than trying to fix everything at once today.
Yes, being kind to yourself helps you keep going, even on days when work feels heavy inside and slowly.
You do not need a clear answer tonight because resting helps your mind slow down and see things better.
Hearing that makes me feel calmer because my chest loosens and I can sit here without pushing myself. If you want, tomorrow you can just show up and do one small task without judging yourself harshly. That feels possible to me now, and it sounds kinder than trying to fix everything at once today. Yes, being kind to yourself helps you keep going, even on days when work feels heavy inside and slowly. Taking one small step helps your mind stay calm, because pressure grows when we ask for answers too fast. I feel less tight inside now, so I can listen to myself without rushing or judging tonight. Tomorrow does not need to be perfect, because showing up gently already means you are moving forward. I can try that tomorrow, because it feels safer to start small instead of quitting everything.
That sounds enough for now, and resting tonight will help you show up again tomorrow calmly.
I feel lighter now, because talking helped me slow down and see this moment more clearly. I am glad you called tonight, because sharing heavy thoughts often makes them easier to carry. I will rest now, because my body feels tired and my mind needs quiet time.
That sounds good, and sleeping well tonight can help you feel steadier tomorrow morning.
Thank you for listening tonight, because it helped me feel supported and less alone.
The room feels quieter now, and my thoughts slow down because I am not holding everything alone. I do not need answers right now, so I let the phone rest and give myself space.
Breathing like this helps my body relax, and I feel less tight inside than before.
I still feel unsure, but the fear feels smaller now, and that gives me some peace.
Tonight does not need fixing, because being here calmly is enough for me right now.
I notice my shoulders drop now, and that small change tells me my body feels safer tonight.
Sitting quietly helps me understand that rest is not giving up, but choosing care for myself. I think about tomorrow gently, and I remind myself that one small step is enough today.
My thoughts still come and go, but they feel quieter now, so I do not fight them.
I decide to sleep soon, because showing up rested tomorrow feels kinder than pushing myself tonight. I arrive quietly this morning, because I want to start slow and give myself space to focus. Sitting here feels different today, because I am not rushing my thoughts or judging myself yet.
Take your time this morning and focus on one task so we can move forward steadily.
Thank you, I will do that, because working step by step helps me stay clear today.
I start with one small task, because beginning gently feels possible and keeps me moving.
Working slowly helps me stay clear, and I notice I make fewer mistakes this way. I feel more present now, because I am not rushing ahead of my thoughts. But taking short pauses reminds me that staying calm helps me keep going longer.
Writing one clear note helps me focus, and it feels easier than holding everything in my head.
I am not fixed yet, but today feels possible, and that is enough for now.
Coming home feels calmer today, because I moved slowly at work and did not push myself. My worries are still there, but they feel softer now, so my breath comes easier.
Putting my bag down feels like a signal, because I can let the day end gently.
Sitting here feels different tonight, because my mind is quieter and my body feels steadier.
I did not solve everything today, but I feel okay, because I chose one small step. I think about today calmly, because doing less helped me stay steady without feeling lost tonight again.
I notice I did my best today, because I showed up gently instead of quitting.
Problems did not disappear, but they feel smaller now, so I trust myself more tonight. Letting myself rest feels earned now, because I did not run away from today.
Tonight feels complete enough, because I stayed present and did not give up.
I accept how today went, because learning often feels quiet and slow before it feels clear. I do not feel strong yet, but I feel steady enough to keep trying tomorrow. The room feels peaceful now, and that reminds me I can create calm moments.
I feel ready to rest now, because holding calm feels more helpful than worrying.
Ending the day this way feels right, because I stayed present instead of giving up. I notice how quiet things feel now, because giving myself time changed the mood inside.
Today was not easy, but staying present helped me finish it without feeling broken.
I did not quit today, and that feels like progress I can respect.
Tomorrow does not need big plans, because showing up calmly is enough for me.
I end this day gently, because choosing to stay felt stronger than walking away.
This morning feels quiet, and that calm helps me start again without pressure. I pick up my bag slowly.
I do not expect big changes today, because showing up again is enough for now. I will take this step today, and tomorrow I can take another one.
Tomorrow, I will just show up again and keep moving gently forward.